morning, children. In this chapter of tenths and hundredths, we have learned so much. We have understood how decimal and fractions can be changed into one another. We have learned how to change a decimal number to its fraction equivalent and how to change a fraction to its decimal equivalent. Now, children, in this video, I am going to teach you if the expanded form of a decimal number is given, then how to write its short form. Come, let's learn that. Writing short form of decimals. Suppose we have been given the expanded form 5 upon 10 plus 7 upon 100. In this, we have only two fractions. There is no whole number in this. So, while writing the short form, we will write a 0 at ones place, and at 10th place we will write 5, and at 100th place we will write 7. Since there is 5 upon 10 and 7 upon 100, so the decimal form is 0.57. Now, if we have 4 plus 8 upon 10, here we have a whole number part and a fractional part. So 4 will come at ones place, and then decimal will come, and 8 will come at the 10th place. So we will have 4.8 as the decimal equivalent. Suppose the expanded form is 20 plus 3 plus 9 upon 10. Now, here we have two whole numbers, 20 and 3. And we know 20 plus 3 is 23. So, to the left of decimal we will have 23, and we will have 9 at the 10th place. So, our answer would be 23.9. Now, suppose we have an expanded form like this: 9,000 plus 40 plus 3. Here we have 9,000 but no hundreds, 40 and 3. In this case, the short form would be 9,043. So we have 3 at ones place, 4 at tens place, and 0 at hundreds place, and 9 at thousands place. Since there was no 100, so we put a 0 at hundreds place. Similarly, if we have an expanded form like this: 40 plus 8 plus 6 upon 100. Here we have nothing upon 10. So it means there is 0 upon 10. So 40 plus 8 will come as 48 on the left hand side of the decimal, and since there is 0 upon 10, So 0 will come at the 10th place, and since we have 6 upon 100, 6 will come at the 100th place. We cannot ignore putting a 0 at 10th place, since we want a 6 at 100th place. So our answer would be 48.06. Now, if we have 700 plus 50 plus 1 plus 9 upon 10. Here we have three numbers which are whole numbers, 700, 50 and 1. So we will have 751 at the left hand side of the decimal, and we will have 9 at the 10th place. So the number would be 751.9. If we have an expanded form like this, 90 plus 8 upon 100. Here we have only one whole number, and that is 90. So 90 will come on the left hand side of the decimal, and since there is nothing at 10th place, nothing at 10th place means a 0 at the 10th place. So we will have a 0 at the 10th place and 8 at the 100th place and 0 at 10th place. Children, because we are putting this 0 at the 10th place, that is the only reason 8 is coming at the 100th place. So it is very, very important. This 0 is very important. So our answer is 90.08. Suppose we have a number like this. 500 plus 2 plus 4 upon 10 plus 6 upon 100. Here we have two whole numbers, 500 and 2. So 500 plus 2 will give us 502, which will be written to the left of decimal. 4 will be at the 10th place and 6 will be at the 100th place. So our answer would be 502.46. I hope, children, with the help of these different examples, you would have understood how to write short form of decimals when the expanded form is given to you. Please practice, because that will make you perfect. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.